Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook sweet potatoes on the stove. First, let's talk preparation. Choose firm, unblemished sweet potatoes for the best flavor and texture. Give them a good wash under cool, running water to remove any dirt. You can peel them if you prefer, but the skin is nutritious. Then, cut them into uniform 1-inch cubes or 1/2-inch thick slices. This ensures they cook evenly, which is key for delicious results. Now, let's get cooking. For boiling, put your cut sweet potatoes in a pot and cover them with water by about 1 inch. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until they are fork tender. If you prefer pan frying, heat 2 tablespoons of your favorite oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the sweet potato pieces and cook for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and tender. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile, and seasoning can take them to the next level. For boiled sweet potatoes, a simple pinch of salt, a dash of cinnamon, or a drizzle of maple syrup works wonders. If you've pan-fried them, consider savory spices like smoked paprika, garlic powder, or a sprinkle of chili flakes for a little kick. Don't forget a squeeze of fresh lime or orange juice. It really brightens up the flavor and adds a lovely zest. Once your sweet potatoes are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them immediately as a delicious side dish, toss them into a vibrant salad, or use them as a hearty base for your favorite grain bowls. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. When reheating, do so gently on the stovetop or in the microwave, adding a small splash of water if they seem a little dry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.